It's hard out here for content creators. If you're fed up, let's go. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. Now if you're here, it's probably because you've been struggling with your YouTube shorts, right? I know, but trust me, you are not alone. So in today's video, we're diving into what to do if your shorts are getting under 1,000 views. Now, I've been doing some research for us, and I'm going to try these strategies as well because my shorts haven't been getting as many views as they usually do. So let's jump right in. First thing first, we need to talk about how YouTube is counting views for shorts now. Now, this is very important because it directly impacts how we approach your content. Now, YouTube recently updated the way views are counted for shorts. Previously, a view wouldn't count unless a user spent some time watching your shorts. But now, a view will be counted as soon as the short starts playing or is replayed. So this means that gaining views might be easier now, but it also means we need to capture attention quickly. So what can you do if your shorts aren't hitting that 1,000 view mark? Let's break it down. First, you can analyze your content. Go back through your previous shorts, which ones performed well, and see which ones did. Also, look for patterns. Was it the topic, the editing style, or the music that made a difference in that short getting views or not getting views? Also, try to hook them earlier. With this new view count system, it's crucial to hook your audience in the first few seconds. If you can, consider starting with a question or an intriguing visual that makes viewers want to stick around. Now, don't hesitate to switch things up. Try different styles such as storytelling, behind the scenes, even quick tips. Now, YouTube audience love variety, and experimenting can help you discover what resonates best with your viewers. Now, this next one that I'm about to speak about isn't really a biggie, considering when your audience is scrolling, they're not really going to see a thumbnail. The thumbnail only really helps and works when they're directly on your main channel going through your videos. So if you can, optimize your thumbnails and titles, okay? Catchy thumbnails and titles can make a big difference in attracting viewers. And like I said previously, you don't really have to worry about thumbnails on your YouTube shorts because people are scrolling. They're not going to see that short picture thumbnail unless they're directly on your page and going through your shorts and say, oh, okay, this looks appealing, to click on it. So I mean, it does matter, but it's not like, oh my God, I need to make sure I have a thumbnail for my short. And of course, we all know to engage with our audience, okay? Respond to comments and ask for feedback on what they want to see and hear from you next. Building a community around your content can lead to more shares and views. And when I tell you guys, it really, really works. Comment back to your audience. They love that. They can't wait to come back and watch a new video and comment again. They love the interaction. It makes them feel like they're a part of your channel and that you value them. And I hope that you do value them because they love you and you should return the favor. And for the next one, this one is a biggie to me. Be consistent. Posting regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a week, consistency helps establish your channel and also keep your audience engaged. You have to be consistent, not only for the reasons I just said, but for the algorithm. Out of sight, out of mind. The algorithm will move on to people who are trying to create the content. Put the content out, okay? It's a machine. It goes off numbers. And if you see that you're consistently pushing out videos, they're saying, okay, well, the machine is saying, well, okay, they really want this. Let me push them out to more people. Push them out. You can't for me, I'm not established enough to take weeks and months off because as you can see, I'm back at the bottom with my views right now. It's cool. I know how to push my way back up to the top, but it will take a minute. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to implement these strategies myself. I want to see if they can help me improve my short views as well. So I know it will work. I just have to be consistent. I have to be patient, and I really have to work hard. I don't want to just keep throwing out shorts that don't look good. I want my audience to resonate. I want my audience to love my shorts. I want them to comment. I want them to share. And I want to gain new subscribers, a new audience, new family members from my content. I don't want to just put out content to get numbers. I want my content to resonate with you guys and future family members that are coming in, because y'all are my family. I want my content to resonate. I'm not the type to just put content out. Now, let me say this. I know that my content is about how to grow on social media, but I have been blessed to be in a new program, and you will see some shopping content in my content, because the things that I wear, the lipstick, the eyeshadow, eyeliner, stuff like that I wear, I will be putting it in my content so that you guys can buy it. Check it out, buy for someone you love if you like what you see. So if you guys see makeup or jewelry in my video, click on it, see if you like it, see if you want to gift it to someone else, and help me out. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.